Hello, so you're welcome as we solve this maths problem. So welcome. Let's now begin with our solution. So we have 8 to the power of k is equals to 800. So how do we solve for the value for k? It's simple. The first thing, let's introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of k is equals to the log of 800. So assuming that we have something like the log of x to the power of y, so this one can also be written as y, the log of x. Similarly, the log of 8 to the power of k, we can have it as k log 8. So k, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 800. So from here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 8, then also this side by the log of 8, so that we remain with k on this other end. So now we shall now say that our value for k is equals to the log of 800 all over the log of 8. So most make a mistake of leaving this answer at this particular point. Let's simplify it further. So now we shall now say that our value for k is equals to, so the log of 8 can also be written as the log of 8, then multiply by 100. So we shall put them into bracket all over the log of 8. So when we have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So similarly, now we shall now say that our value for k now, so k is equals to the log of 8 plus the log of 100 all over the log of 8. So next now we shall have to divide both sides by the log of 8. So that is to mean that our now the value for k shall be now is equals to the log 8 all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 100 all over the log of 8. So let's now cancel the ones that are similar. So that is to mean that our now k shall be equals to log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log of 100 all over the log of 8. So next now we shall say that, so next we shall now say that our k is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 100 can also be written as the log of 25 multiplied by 4, then all over the log of 8. So now our k is equals to 1 plus, so let's now work it out by now having the log of 25. So let's now plus the log of 4, then all over the log of 8. So now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 8 by now saying that k is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall have the log of 25 all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 4 all over the log of 8. So next, as we conclude, k is equals to 1 plus, so log 25 can also be written as the log of 5 to the power of 2, because 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 all over the log 8. So 8 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 again. So now we shall have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. So now we shall have all over the log of 2 to the power of 3, then plus, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 all over the log of 2 to the power of 3. So finally, we shall now say that k is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 5 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2, the log of 5, then all over the log of 2 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3, the log of 2, then plus, so 2, the log of 2, then all over 3, the log of 2. So next we shall now say that our k is equals to 1 plus, so this one now shall have 2 over 3, the log of 5 all over the log of 2, then plus 2 over 3. So here now the log 2 and log 2 shall cancel. So now here we shall now remain with 2 over 3. So when we have, for an example, the log of a all over the log of b, This one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So now we shall now say that k shall now be equals to 1 plus this 2 over 3, 1 plus 2 over 3, then 1 plus 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3, the log of 5 to the base of 2. So thereafter now we shall say that 1 is 3 over 3. So now we shall have 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3, that is now 5 over 3. So k is equals to 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3, the log of 5 to the base of 2. So now we can conclude that this one is the correct and our final answer. So thank you and stay tuned on our next video.